Yo, what's up? Making a quick little vlog, a little VOD for my fans. I don't know, third one? I don't know, I'm tired. Just wanted to say hi to you, in specific, the person watching this video, because I know it's you. It can only be like 3 people that I know, or 5, maybe 6. And I wanted to go over some stuff that I've been thinking about. Anime is good, alright? Minecraft is still a fun game. Can't argue with that. It's a fun game. It's short. Well, it's not short. You can have a short time on a world, long time on a world. Either way, I don't regret buying it on everything that I have it on. That's just a fact. I like playing it sometimes. It's Minecraft. Get over it. Also, I've been wanting to play my DS more. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 games on it that I haven't played. Would love to play those. I gotta walk my dog. Not looking forward to that at all. I should probably put in some eye drops in a bit. My eyes are a little bit dry. A little bit dry, if you catch my drift. My eyes are dry. Yeah. Yeah, we'll stick with that. Anyway, I'd like to ask how y'all are doing. Keeping it vape-nation, keeping it VN, keeping me posted. Most importantly, you gotta be keeping me posted, dog. You gotta be keeping me posted, bro. Broski, Deuterino, housewife. I'm really uninspired.